In this video, you'll learn how to quickly search for coupon codes on Temu and apply them for discounts. Fast Open Profile option. Next, select the Coupons Offers option from the menu. Here, enter your code in the Enter Your Code field, then click Apply. After that, you'll be able to search for your product. To get a coupon code, we'll open a new browser tab. In a new tab, use the search bar to enter your query if you'd like to find more Temu coupons or codes. After searching, select any one of the websites to find available coupon codes. Then, find and choose a coupon code, such as 30% off orders $39, and click the code button to copy or apply it. Click the Temu tab to return and continue with your shopping and code search. Now, revisit the Coupons Offers menu. Then, paste the coupon code into the designated field. After pasting the code, finally, click the Apply button. You're now ready to find and use codes on Temu for maximum savings.